Hey everybody, welcome to this girl. My viewers and followers tuning in. If you guys want to see an influencer unboxing, please stay tuned. Alright, you guys can see this is the Halloween edition. Okay, this is the Halloween edition of the influencer box unboxing, and I haven't done an influencer unboxing in a long time, and I'm finally able to do one because I was able to take the survey. So if you guys do not know, Influencer is a free box that you get in the mail. You do a few surveys. Sometimes the surveys be really long, and then you opt into them, you know, basically sending you a box, and sometimes you get it and sometimes you don't, depending upon the survey or how you answer the questions and things of that sort. So I was able to get a box. I believe it's for this month, and I missed a lot of boxes because I missed the survey. So they do send you an email. They do send you an email to enter into the Voxbox, and you have to reply to the email or do the survey before a certain date. They give you a specific date. If you don't, then you will not get the box. Okay, you definitely won't get the box because you didn't even do the survey. So I missed a lot of boxes like that, influencer boxes. They call it Voxbox, stuff like that. And I missed a lot because I haven't returned the survey. I haven't done the survey. So I've gotten influencer boxes in the past. Now I'm trying to get back on track. So I'm looking for emails. So if you guys sign up for it, I will definitely leave the link down below so you guys can sign up for it, and you will get your free box. Okay, it's a free box. You don't have to pay nothing. Just give them your address and stuff like that, and you have to participate in the community. So, you know, take pictures of something that you already have at home and do a little review, like type it up in the community and things of that sort, and just be active. And the more that you're active, this is when you first get on there, and so when you're active, you get your certain badges and stuff like that. And once you do that, then you're able to get your influencer box. Okay, so we got that out the way. All right, so here we are. So yes, don't mind the makeup because I did a makeup tutorial, and yeah, but anyway, this is the box. Okay, so we're gonna open it. Everything was sprayed. It says it's fragile and it's liquid. So I think I got some, I don't know if it's household items, I don't know, but let's just see here. Okay, so the box was sprayed. You guys know we're in the COVID century. Okay, and I'm opening the box. Okay, this is what the box looks like just for you. And I got some cleaning products. Okay, all right, so okay. All right, so basically this is the, oh, excuse me, the super, we're gonna get close. Okay, ooh, scary. All right, this is the super Arm & Hammer OxiClean super concentrated liquid detergent here. Okay, as you guys can see, and we have the pump here, and it's two of them. Okay, so you guys see it's two of them. Boom. All right, so it says, we hope you enjoy this. So it's a big sample. This sample, super concentrated. So this is what it is. Okay, so let me just read it. Back it on up. Okay, so it says, I don't think there's anything else in here. Okay, this is my first time getting like a household. This is my first time getting like a household item from them. So it says, we hope you enjoy this sample. Arm & Hammer Plus OxiClean Super Concentrated Detergent. 2 super concentrated bottles equals 60 loads of laundry in the palm of your hand. A super concentrated formula with 3 times more cleaning power per drop. 66% less weight means it's easy to pump, carry, and store. Convenient small bottles use 30% less water and 37% less plastic versus standard laundry bottles. Super convenient, reusable pump eliminates measuring drips and spills. Same great clean and inspect from Arm & Hammer, powered by OxiClean Stain Fighters. Long-lasting, sparkling, fresh scent. Okay, so it says get started. Log into your influencer app and check out your Arm & Hammer Laundry Voxbox campaign. Try our new product. Review your product on influencer.com. Okay, so I'm doing a review here on YouTube. Well, not a review. I'm just doing an unboxing. And once I use it, I'm probably gonna let my mom use it because you guys know I have eczema, so I've been using detergent that has no fragrances. So that's basically about that. So yeah, so we shall see about this. So I haven't used this one before, but before my eczema, I've been using the OxyClean before at one point, but not the super concentrated one, not exactly this one. So we shall see. So yeah, yeah, I'll let my mom use it, and then I review it and see if she likes it. So I'm gonna give it to my mom because I can't use it. But that's just basically about that. So I'll let my mom, probably my nephew, use it because I can't use it. So yeah, so that was my box, my influencer box. So again, if you guys are interested, definitely go to influenster.com, and I'll put everything down in the description bar below so you guys will go check it out. And that's just basically it about that. So yeah, so I'm done, you guys. So please be on the lookout for emails from Influencer. You never know what they're gonna send. This is my first time getting these types of items in Influencer. I usually get makeup or something like that. So we shall see what we get for next time, because I'm gonna fill out another survey so we can see. Okay, you guys. So I'm out of here. So if you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, please don't hesitate to ask. And before you leave, please check out my 2 videos. Either going to be here or they're going to be here of other videos that I do other content and things of that sort. So please be sure to check those out. Like this video, share, comment if you like. You know, you don't have to, but you know. And that's just basically about that. And I am out of here. So we are done. Peace. Bye.